Look at this. I call this Pan Pizza Supreme. All this goodness right here, y'all. Just look at this. I got mushrooms on there, onions, green peppers, yellow peppers, just a whole load of goodness. What more could you ask for? And I was going to show y'all how I made this pizza, but I got my grandson today, so I wasn't able to do that. But I just wanted y'all to see this. It's about to be on, y'all. Yes, yes. Y'all know who this is. I want to thank y'all for watching this little tad bit video. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.